The stamping process is a key manufacturing technique for liquid cooling plates. It involves applying pressure to aluminum sheets using molds and stamping equipment, causing plastic deformation to achieve components with the desired shapes and dimensions. The stamping process for liquid cooling plates is typically used to produce their internal channel structures. What are the advantages of using the stamping process for liquid cooling plates? The stamping process allows for the creation of complex internal flow channel designs, increasing surface area and enhancing thermal conductivity. This effectively dissipates heat, reduces battery pack temperatures, and improves battery efficiency and lifespan. The stamping process not only produces lightweight liquid cooling plates with sufficient structural strength, but also offers high production efficiency and strong product consistency. At XD Thermal, the production of stamped liquid cooling plates involves processes such as stamping, cutting, cleaning, brazing, and inspection. Each step is accompanied by stringent inspection procedures to ensure product precision and reliability. With efficient factory management, XD Thermal can control delivery times within 2 weeks, fully meeting customer demands.